dumpster rental service in Wimberley, Texas. Managing waste during a project doesn't have to be stressful. With Purple Cow Dumpsters, getting a reliable dumpster rental service in Wimberley, Texas, is quick and easy. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, working on a remodeling project, or handling a construction site, we provide the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our roll-off dumpsters come in various sizes, making waste disposal efficient and affordable. We make the rental process as simple as possible. Pick a dumpster size, schedule a delivery, and fill it up. Once you're done, we'll take care of the pickup and disposal. There are no unnecessary complications, just straightforward service you can count on. At Purple Cow Dumpsters, we believe in providing exceptional customer service. Our team can always help you choose the right dumpster and answer any questions. We also take extra care to dispose of waste responsibly, ensuring we do our part for the environment. If you need a dependable dumpster rental service in Wimberley, Texas, look no further. We're here to make sure your project stays on track without the hassle of waste piling up. Call 830-730-3305 today to schedule your dumpster rental and experience stress-free waste management.